Section 5-4, Understanding Slopes and Y-intercepts. The line models the total amount of snow on the ground during a snowstorm. What is the y-intercept of the line? What does the y-intercept represent? And what is the slope of the line? And what does the slope represent? The y-intercept is where the graph touches the y-axis. I have circled the point at where the graph touches the y-axis. The name of this point is 0, 3. Your x is 0, you went up 3. So your x is 0, your y is 3. The horizontal axis represents hours. The vertical axis represents the snow height in inches. So your y-intercept is 3. It's where the graph touches the y-axis. What does the y-intercept represent? Well, the y-intercept represents the amount of snow on the ground before the ice storm, or the snowstorm, excuse me. The y-intercept represents the amount of snow on the ground before the storm. All right? Now, what is the slope? Let's determine our slope. To determine our slope, we need 2 points. Well, I'm going to use the first point, 0, 3. Then I'm going to use the second point. The name of the second point would be 2 up 1, 2, 3, 4. So the name of this point is 2, 4. So I'm going to use this point and find slope. Difference of your y's over difference of your x's, subtracting them. So when I subtract my y's, I'm going to start at the back. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 gives me 1. Over. Subtract your x's, starting at the back again. 2 minus 0. Well, 2 minus 0 gives you 2. 2 minus 0 gives you 2. Therefore, your slope is 1/2. What does the slope represent? The slope represents the snow falling at a rate of 1/2 inch per hour. So the snow is falling. The snow is falling at a rate of 1/2 inch per hour. That's what the slope represents. It represents the snow falling at a rate of 1/2 inch per hour.